In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make 4 or even 5 figures each month on Pinterest with a brand new AI strategy that no one is talking about yet. This new method takes just a few minutes to implement and is simple enough that even complete beginners can get started with it. And if you watch all the way to the end, I'll show you how you can automate this process so that your income is almost completely passive. But before I get started, I'm Dracula, and on my channel, I share different ways to make money online. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications because you're not going to want to miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get started. Did you know that Pinterest is the largest visual search engine on the planet with over 1 billion visits per month? Faceless Pinterest accounts like this one on my screen right now, with over 10 million monthly views, have the potential to make thousands of dollars every single month promoting products they don't even make themselves. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create a Pinterest account just like this, creating an almost fully automated income stream for yourself. With that, let's get started with step number 1. The first step of this process is to pick the method you're going to use to make money online with Pinterest. If you already have a specific income method that you want to use, you can skip this step. But for those of you who don't have one yet, I'm going to go over exactly how to do this right now. There are lots of different monetization methods that you can pick from, like selling digital products, online services, or even selling physical products. But the simplest way, with the least amount of work on your part, is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is exactly how I've created my own multiple 6-figure online business in less than 12 months. It's my favorite online income strategy and, in my own personal opinion, is the best way for beginners to get started with creating their own online income stream. That's because you don't have to create any products yourself. You simply recommend other businesses' product. And then when you get that business a sale, you earn a commission. If you're interested in diving deeper into affiliate marketing and learning how to get started, I've included a link to a free ebook in the description below. So you can find affiliate products anywhere. And most major brands now have affiliate programs that anyone can sign up as an affiliate for. But one of my favorite places to find affiliate products is Impact. Impact is an affiliate network that hosts an entire marketplace with thousands of products that you can choose from to promote, some with commission rates up to 40%. Plus, anyone can sign up for an Impact account. It doesn't matter where you live. There's a link down in the description for the Impact website to sign up for your own account if you want to follow along with this tutorial. To stay consistent with the example Pinterest account that I showed you at the beginning of this video, which was in the tech niche, we're going to search for a software affiliate product. When choosing affiliate products, I suggest you stay within the health, relationships, beauty, business, or tech niches because they typically generate the most amount of money. After setting up your Impact account, you'll find a variety of categories listed on the left-hand side. After some research, I've decided to choose a product called InVideo for this tutorial. InVideo is an easy-to-use online video creation platform. It provides users with a wide range of templates, stock footage, and music tracks to create professional quality videos for marketing, social media, presentations, and more. With intuitive editing tools and cloud-based accessibility, InVideo makes video creation effortless and engaging for creators of all levels. Plus, the commission rate is 50%, which is really great for an affiliate product. You can apply to become an affiliate for InVideo or any affiliate product you like through your Impact account. And once you're approved, you can create and copy your affiliate tracking URL right here. Now that we've picked our affiliate product, let's move on to step number 2. In this step, we're going to get AI to create everything we need to create scroll-stopping pins in just a few seconds with just one single prompt. Let me show you what I mean. In this step, we're going to utilize an AI app called Dracula AI. All you need to do is select the Pinterest template, input the product name and category, and Dracula AI will assist in generating ideas for you. Now, if we review the response it generated, you'll notice that within a few seconds, the AI has crafted attention-grabbing Pinterest pin titles along with the necessary information for the pin description. You can continue refining your response by prompting for more information or requests. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll stick with what it provided. Dracula AI operates similarly to ChatGPT in terms of prompting the AI and receiving a response. But it differs significantly in that it utilizes 3 different AI models to generate responses. Additionally, it incorporates up-to-date search results to support its responses, unlike ChatGPT, which only has access to information up to 2021. Moreover, Dracula AI is specifically designed to serve digital marketers, offering over 75 templates for various purposes such as advertising, copywriting, blog writing, email marketing, and many other functions to support online business development. The application is currently undergoing refinement, so if you want to be among the first to use it for free, simply click on the link provided below the description to join the waitlist. In this video, I'll guide you on how to use ChatGPT while waiting for the Dracula AI app to launch. Now, let's input the following command. List 5 of the top reasons why InVideo is the best video platform, including a brief description with each reason. Then, create 5 different click-enticing Pinterest pin titles for each point. Include emojis at the beginning of each title and do not include the word InVideo in the title. Don't forget to read over the information to make sure it's actually accurate. AI is still a new technology, so it's always best to double-check everything before continuing. Once you're done reading everything over and you're happy with it, let's move on to step number 3. Step number 3 is where we create the actual pins using the information that ChatGPT has created for us. For this step, you can use whichever graphic design app you like, but for this video, I'm using Canva because it's the most well-known. Let me just show you quickly how you can use our AI responses to quickly create pins on Canva. All you have to do is pick a Pinterest pin template that you like or will fit your niche. Try to choose something with bold text that will catch attention. Then, copy one of the titles and paste it into the main text area on the Pinterest pin template. You can change the text to look however you'd like in the image as well. Then, once you're happy with it, instead of creating a new design each time, you're going to duplicate this design 4 more times for each of our remaining pin titles, and then use it as a template. Next, you're going to just copy and paste each AI-generated title from ChatGPT into the new template we just created and switch the image for something different. Then, once you're happy with them, come up here to the top right corner and select to download all the images all at once. This will download them onto your phone or computer as a zip file, which you can extract later. Once you've done that, let's move on to step number 4. Okay, now that we have our Pinterest pins ready, all you have to do is upload and post them onto your new Pinterest account. For this step, you need to make sure you have a Pinterest business account, not just a personal account, to create your pins from inside your account. You want to come up here and tap on the Create button. If you notice that your account looks different than this, that's okay. Pinterest seems to roll out changes to accounts at different times, making it so that everyone's account might look a little different at any given time. So, create your pin in whichever way your account allows you to do it. Then, you want to upload each pin that we created in Canva individually to create individual posts. Don't drag all the images together or else Pinterest will create them as a carousel, which is not what we want. Once you've uploaded all your pin images, copy the title, description, and paste it here. And then, that brings us to the part where it will allow us to make money online. And I'll explain that in step number 5. Now, before I continue, you really need to pay attention to this part because it's very important if you want to be able to monetize these pins with your affiliate products directly, meaning without having to create a blog or complicated website. You cannot just copy your affiliate link here. Pinterest does not allow direct affiliate product linking or link shorteners on pins in most cases. So, if you want to keep your account active and making money online, make sure you follow this step the way I describe it. The way to have your affiliate links added directly to your Pinterest pins is by using the website called Linktree. Linktree is permitted on Pinterest and allows you to create a simple landing page where you can add all of your affiliate links in one place without being penalized by Pinterest. Let me show you quickly how to do this. But if you want to keep following along, there's a link down in the description to the Linktree website. Now, to add your affiliate links to your Linktree page, here's what you're going to do. First, you need to come back to Impact or whichever affiliate product page you signed up for, then copy your affiliate tracking URL. Then, you're going to come back to the Linktree page, tap this button here that says Add Link, and paste your affiliate tracking URL in this box. Then, you'll see a button appear on the preview page that people can now tap to purchase your affiliate products. And the great thing about Linktree is that it allows you to add as many URLs as you like, meaning you can promote multiple affiliate products to your audience all in one place. So, once you're happy with your Linktree page, all you need to do is tap the share button up here in the top right corner and copy the link at the bottom of the menu and come back to Pinterest, then paste your Linktree link into the link box. Once you've done that, the last step is select the board where you want your pin to be pinned to. Then tap on the Publish button, and your pin will immediately be posted to your account. Now, if you want to automate this process so that you don't have to do this every day manually for each post, you want to double check that you've added all of the images, titles, descriptions, and Linktree link to each individual post. But instead of selecting publish for each post, you want to schedule your post for the future by tapping this button here that says publish at a later date. Then, you can simply schedule each post to be automatically posted for you at a later time. This step is really important if you want to automate your business. Now, once your pins are scheduled or posted, you will start seeing traffic coming through to your affiliate links. But you need to remember one important thing about this process if you want to be successful as quickly as possible. For this method to work, you need to make sure you're posting consistently on your account every single day. Not just once or twice here and there. The more consistent you are with your posting, the more eyes you'll get on your content, which over time will mean more clicks on your affiliate links and ultimately more buyers of those affiliate products. But the great thing is, with the method I just showed you in this tutorial and with the help of AI, you can now quickly create unlimited Pinterest pin ideas with just a few minutes of your time. And as a bonus pro tip, if you really want to automate this process, allowing you to have the maximum amount of free time, you can outsource this task to a freelancer who can complete this entire process for you, so that all you have to do is manage the account, making the income stream almost completely passive. Now, if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing the right way, I added a link down in the description to my free guide, where I break down the entire process in detail. Affiliate marketing is how I created my own multiple six-figure online business in less than 12 months, and is what I consider the most profitable online income stream right now. If you want to get started, just tap the link to get your copy of my free guide, and I'll help you get started right away. If you like this video, please do me a favor and subscribe and turn on notifications so that you can be the first to see my next video showing you my newest way to make money online.